here witnessing such laboratory representing the extreme weather that any car might face across the world. This is very important to have in our vehicles to ensure that my vehicle is suitable across the world. It's suitable in my hot country. It's suitable for other countries which has maybe ice, maybe minus 20 or even more degree. So this is built confident to me and to the customers for sure.
For the single dummy, the instructor told us it's something around 11 million RMBs per. The function of those dummies are to simulate a crash test and the effect of a crash test on a human body. Honestly, impressive.
Been to many of the the production facilities, but never seen robotic arms like that. It's really good. It's really a state of art. It's one of the smartest I've ever visited yet.
It's amazing. It's very exciting. I didn't expect it's going to be such a huge factory, a lot of robots. It looks like I'm in the future, you know.
Yo he visitado alguna planta de automoción, pero nunca con tantos robots y tan mecanizada como esta. Go with more.
GWM, go with more.